Good morning, Andy here from GDMFX. We start with the North American markets as usual. We had the labor market conditions index yesterday and also the Fed's Yellen speech. She expects the US economy will continue to improve, further gradual increases in interest rates, and will probably be appropriate. Also, we move now to the Dow Jones, 13 points up, Nasdaq 15 points up, Dixie Index down to 93.98 from 94.23, USD CAD 60 pips down, USD Swiss franc 150 pips down, USD JPY 80 pips up. And today we will have the non-farm productivity, unit labor costs, first quarter, consumer credit change, IV Purchasing Managers Index for Canada, and IV Purchasing Managers Index on Canada as well, seasonally adjusted. We move to the European markets. The Euro-USD inched up as the dollar recovered from a midday swoon after Janet Yellen's speech, and the currency pair traded in a tight range between 1.1326 and 1.1393 before settling at 1.1357, up 0.05% on the session. The euro extended gains from the last Friday when it surged nearly 2% against the dollar. Germany stocks were mixed after the close on Monday, as gains in the utilities, food and beverages, and consumer and cyclical sectors led shares higher, while losses in the telecoms, construction and transportation and logistics sectors led shares lower. At the close in Frankfurt, the DAX added 0.18%. Today we will have the gross domestic product for the European zone. This is the most important event for the week. We move to the UK markets. Yesterday we had the BRC retail sales monitor, which came out way positive, 1.4% better than previous at 0.5%. The FTSE 100 gained 38 points and closed at 6,262 yesterday. 10-year gilt yields closed at 1.48% yesterday. The pound versus the USD 70 pips up, pound yen 193 pips up, pound Aussie 35 pips up, pound loonie 115 pips down, pound kiwi 165 pips up, pound Swiss franc 33 pips down. And we will have the Halifax houses price later today. We move to the Asian and Pacific markets. We start with the Asians. We did not have any events from yesterday. However, today we had the Japanese leading economic index 1.4 better than previous. Coincident index 2 points better than previous. And later today we will expect the Japanese GDP and trade balance. We move to the Pacific. We had the Australian TD securities inflation, which came out worse than previous. The Aussie AIG performance of construction index for May 4.1 worse than previous. Today, the Australian interest rate remained unchanged at 1.75%. Later, we expect the manufacturing sales from New Zealand. We move to commodities now. The S&P 500 index had a range of 18 points at 2,108 at the moment. Gold had a range of $9 at 1,243 now. Silver range of 18 cents at 16.40 at the moment. Crude oil had $1 range at 49.57 now. Natural gas is trading at 2.40 at the moment, range of 6 cents yesterday. And today we expect the API weekly crude oil stock. Thank you. Have a good day.